Okay, so today we are unboxing both Bluetooth Stone 580 speaker. Let's check out. Seems to be new in the market, but is old to me. I might be late in having this. Let's see what we get. Okay, so we have the speaker and these inputs, and let's get it out of there. So these are all the buttons that we have on the top, along with the USB input and the aux input area. This is the light that both provides us. It has an amazing view. Body is whole plastic. It's a solid material. Both sides.
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पा दे चलेगा रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं आऊं चांद और तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे.
And this was the USB inputs that I was talking about in the beginning. Overall, it's a great experience.